Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to copy Instagram group link. So let's get started. If you regularly use this Instagram application to show your activity, show your photo, video, reels and any more, you can invite your friend into your group. But in the latest update or new update of this app, there is no feature of sharing your group link. Share link of your group. So there is another way to do it. It's very easy. Just simple click or tap in. Let's tap your inbox and tap your group and tap group name here and just tap add button. Here you can invite one of your friend or invite some people here to enter the group. So no more share link, but you can add manually, but make sure your friend already follow you, so he will on this list. So for example, I want to invite one of my friend here. Just tap the name, check the box and tap done, and you can tap add button here. So your friend will see message from this conversation also, so that your friend have right to decline this invitation, but make sure you can tap this add button to invite your friend without link. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.